Why muscle loss after 60 is more serious than you think. After age 60, muscle loss quietly steals strength, balance, and independence from many seniors. Studies show adults lose up to 5% muscle mass every decade after turning 30. This loss is not just about weakness, it increases fall risk, hospital visits, and daily struggles. But here is the hopeful truth most people never hear: food can slow and even reverse muscle loss. Today, I will share 5 powerful foods that help elderly adults rebuild muscle safely and naturally. Stay with me, because the last food surprises most seniors and works better than supplements. Food number 1, eggs, the muscle protection food most seniors avoid. Many seniors fear eggs because of cholesterol myths that are now proven outdated and misleading. Eggs contain high-quality protein that muscles absorb easily, even in older digestive systems. One egg provides leucine, an amino acid that directly triggers muscle repair and growth. Research shows elderly adults eating eggs gain more strength than those using protein powders. If you feel weaker every year, eggs might be the simplest and cheapest solution available. Food number 2, Greek yogurt, quietly rebuilding weak muscles from inside. Greek yogurt is thicker, richer, and contains almost double the protein of regular yogurt. It also provides calcium and vitamin D, which support muscle movement and bone strength together. Many seniors lose muscle faster because poor digestion limits protein absorption with age. Greek yogurt digests slowly, feeding muscles for hours instead of causing quick energy crashes. Have you noticed morning weakness or shaky legs, especially after waking up? Comment below. If this information feels helpful or surprising, please like this video to support healthy aging. Subscribe to this channel for simple, trusted health guidance made especially for seniors. Comment your age and biggest health concern, because your story helps others feel less alone. Now let us continue, because the next food protects muscles even during illness or stress. Food number 3, fatty fish, fighting muscle loss you cannot see. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel contain omega-3 fats that protect muscles from silent breakdown. Studies show seniors eating fatty fish lose muscle slower than those avoiding healthy fats. Omega-3 fats reduce inflammation, which often blocks muscle repair in older bodies. Fatty fish also improves nerve signals, helping muscles respond faster and feel stronger. If walking feels harder than last year, your muscles may be inflamed, not just weak. Food number 4, lentils and beans, plant power that surprises doctors. Many believe plant foods cannot build muscle, but science strongly disagrees with this idea. Lentils and beans provide protein, iron, and fiber that support muscle energy and recovery. They also stabilize blood sugar, preventing muscle breakdown caused by sudden sugar spikes. Seniors who eat legumes regularly show better grip strength and walking speed. If meat feels heavy or expensive, beans can quietly save your muscle health. Food number 5, milk, the nighttime muscle repair secret. Milk contains casein protein, which feeds muscles slowly while you sleep at night. Research shows drinking milk before bed reduces overnight muscle loss in older adults. Milk also delivers potassium and magnesium, preventing cramps and nighttime muscle pain. This simple habit can protect muscles during the most vulnerable hours of the day. Imagine waking up stronger instead of stiffer, just by changing one evening habit. Summary. Muscle loss after 60 is common, but it is not a life sentence. Eggs rebuild, yogurt nourishes, fish protects, beans strengthen, and milk repairs overnight. Together, these foods send a powerful message of hope to your aging muscles. Ignoring muscle loss leads to falls, fear, and lost independence nobody deserves. Start with one food today, because small changes create powerful strength over time. In our next video, I will reveal simple exercises seniors can safely combine with these foods.